Bob here. Well, we had a great ride last week, wasn't that? We had that drone chasing us down Kalanianeole Road, the old road, around the slopes of Olomana. Well, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to head down into Waimanalo and then turn Mauka towards the mountain and go to the base of the Koolau Mountain Range and see how close we can get. We'll be on a very popular bike route that goes along that base, and it's going to be a good ride. All right, looking forward to it. Well, look up ahead, you see that Koolau Mountain Range. That's where we're headed to. We're going to try to get as close as we can to that, as we said earlier. What do you think about this bike lane? Pretty good, huh? Well, this is part of that bike route that I was talking about that will go along the Koolau Mountain Range. So we're going to make a turn here, and that bike lane will end, and we'll head Mauka towards the mountain. So now we are on that same bike route. No bike lanes back here, just old roads. And what Waimanalo is known for is the amount of nurseries that are out here. They take these big lots, they zone them Ag 1 or 2 or whatever it is, and you can rent it or lease it from the state for very little money, as long as you put a nursery or you put an active business here. So I could be wrong on some of this, you know, but that's what I understand it to be. So on Sundays you'll see tons of bikers. Over to our right is Peak 3 of Olomana. Wait, I'm sorry, but we lost our visual. There you go. It's a pretty steep cliff. I don't know if you know that I'm hand-free today with the drone. I mean, not the drone, but with the 360. I've mounted it to my boom, and explored with this the other day out on the North Shore, and I said, you know, it's pretty nice. If I got to keep both hands on the steering wheel, this would work. Nothing fancy. One day we're going to go to the right there, and there's another trail over there. We're going to see if we can get my son and my grandson to come with us. But I do some exploring every once in a while, and I'm going to try to go back and recreate an exploring that I did. One of my kind of my last rides that I've done here. But I can't, it got to be over 10 years ago. But I can't remember what was. Here's my fear. I'm in Waimanalo, it's country. There are a lot of dogs. You know me and my dogs, right? Well, I want to go up this road, and I want to go find this water reservoir up close next to the Koolau, and let's see if I can get the drone up. But to do that, I got to go past a couple farms and ranches. So we'll have to figure this out when I go up one of these routes now. So I think this is the road. Let's well, we're going in the right direction. Now this isn't the bike route. This is Bob exploring. Those 3 big trees right there, hello, are mango trees. And that was a dog. And there's a horse. And a nice, wow, okay, so the dog didn't seem like it was coming. So we're moving on, folks. You know, these are really nice properties here. It's a ranch. We're getting right up against the Koolau Mountain Range. We're looking at 2,300, 2,400 straight up. And when it rains, each one of those crevices are filled full of water. When we have a heavy rain, they sit in some of those pockets there, collect water, and boom. Okay, oh, we got a fenced-in yard. Doggone it. How did I get in last time? I know. I snuck in somehow. What's that? Bob snuck in somewhere? Oh, no way. That Bob. This is the reservoir to the right, this big berm here. And giant water reservoir. I guess they're gonna keep me blocked out. Okay, close Burkett TV. No triplet. Now, how? Let's get up here. We are so close. Well, the dog side it's good. Now, we're gonna launch here. All right. Up, up, and away.
Why do you run from me? I've chased you all of my life. I can't let you slip away. Now that the time is right. Passion lies deep in my heart. The thrill of your touch sends me sailing, wandering high above the clouds, or falling like rain onto the ground. Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Gently it washes my soul. Sing me a song of the island. Rock me in your arms, gentle shore.
Hui, aloha. Well, I just rode by and I waved at the dog and he waved his tail back at me. I've got a new friend.
Over the land, I feel the warmth.
Well, we're back on the bike route and well, that's kind of interesting. I talked to a guy from the Hawaiian Electric Company who was up there at the reservoir, and he said that reservoir is basically just for agriculture, not drinking water. That kind of made sense. Anyway, we got a bunch more farms along here. Those ko'olaus are beautiful. Yeah, I don't think the 360 captures that beauty. I think I'm going to switch to the iPhone. That's a pretty tranquil farming aspect. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Huh? Oh my gosh. Pretty spectacular.
I feel the warmth of
Now this is one of our favorite nurseries, Akamai Landscape Nursery. Old man Aki runs this place. His sons have taken over, and we've got a lot of trees in our yard that came from this guy. It's not a perfect day, but it's pretty gorgeous. It's very much so. So now you see why this is a well-known bike route. It's just so peaceful, hardly any cars. Here's another nursery. What was that one called? Young Daughters or something like that? No, I'm missing the name. Sharon's Plants. I was close. Well, we turned down this road as we head Makai towards the ocean.
I come home to rest my weary bones. Traveled souls that wandered aimlessly, dancing in the waves that wash the sand. Pacific wind is blowing through my head. Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Gently it washes my soul.
Well, that was a good ride. We rode along the Koolau and got up really close and got some great views. Next week we're heading down Makai towards the ocean, and we're going to go check out some beaches in Waimanalo. You guys have a great week. We'll see you then. Aloha.